Welcome to Sewing Basics! Satin Stitch.
In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about the satin stitch. It's a really handy stitch for filling in large areas. So first I'm going to just lightly pencil in a space just to kind of demonstrate how this stitch will work. The idea behind this stitch is to simply go back and forth, filling in that space with vertical stitches that are side by side. I usually start and end my stitch on the same side. And here you can see I finished a stitch on the bottom, so the next one I'm also going to start on the bottom. This stitch can also be time consuming as you are trying to fill in a space with skinny embroidery thread. So I'm going to speed up this section for you to show you another version of a satin stitch. Another type of satin stitch is called the long and short stitch. So here you can see I didn't fill in all the way to the edge of my pencil line, but instead I only went halfway down. Now you can kind of mix and match the length of your stitches to kind of one stitch is long, one stitch is short. The benefit of this kind of satin stitch is it gives a texture that's a little bit more interesting, especially if you're filling in a space that it has some sort of organic subject, like an animal or hair on a person. And that is the satin stitch. Happy sewing!